Hey guys, so we're going to take a look today at, this is iDrive 8.5, and we're going to look at how to reset your services. So first thing we'll do, we'll press our start stop button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. That'll turn everything on for you. It'll go into diagnostic mode. All right, so what you do is you hold this button down here for about 10 seconds and then lift off. And now with your BC button, you're able to cycle through the information and get to where you need to go to reset. Press and hold on your BC button. It'll ask you the question, reset. Press and hold again, and then it'll take you to the reset, and then you'll be good. So thanks again for checking it out, guys. Hopefully that answers any questions you guys may have on how to reset your service light on iDrive 8. Again, hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. Thanks for watching.